Alright guys, just a little brief video here. We're going to do another dove recipe. We're approaching dove season here in about another month. And I found that I had some vacuum sealed dove breasts. Fortunately for me, when I cleaned them last year during dove season, I deboned them off the breasts. Now normally we do the cream cheese, jalapenos, wrapped in bacon dove breast, but this year I'm going to try to also incorporate a marinade. Really a simple marinade. I've coated these in a little bit of Montreal steak seasoning, a little garlic salt. I've got some red wine vinegar, some Surefine orange juice from concentrate, just doesn't have to be a real fancy, and then some tiger sauce. We're going to incorporate some of this into our marinade. And then this year, hatch green chilies, 79 cents a pound. Really a awesome flavor, so we're going to try to do a little bit of those, incorporate not only some jalapenos but some hatch green chilies along with our dove recipe. So stay tuned, we're going to show you how it goes. Alright, so what we got in here is we got a cup of orange juice, about a third a cup of that red wine vinegar, and then I put 4 tablespoons of the tiger sauce. Now I really enjoy that tiger sauce, but I didn't want this to be too spicy. And then we're just going to whisk that up a little bit in here, and then we're going to show you what else we're going to add to it. Alright, just wanted to show another portion of this recipe. I've got about a whole head of garlic there, minced up. I'm going to put that in the marinade as well, incorporate that flavor of the garlic. I could have probably put another head of garlic, but I'm a garlic fanatic, and not everybody eating is going to want that much garlic in that dove. And then another portion of the recipe is this national park, this Big Bend Brewing Company, the hefeweizen. No, that's not going to be incorporated into the recipe. That's for the cook. This is an award-winning beer. They also make a Tejas dark lager that is a really nice beer too, that will go well with these grilled doves. So we're going to incorporate that in there, and then we'll show you some more of this recipe in a little bit. Alright, so we're just going to incorporate that marinade into with our doves. Ideally you'd want to let that sit probably, I don't know, overnight would be really good. Unfortunately, I'm not going to only do it for 2 or 3 hours, and then we're going to get to grilling. But that should incorporate some of those acids in the orange juice and the other flavors into that dove meat, kind of start to break it down. And by the way, Big Bend Brewing Company, I think they're out in Alpine. This talk about National Park Hefeweizen. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Hefeweizen. They're no affiliation to the National Park Service. Just a really good Texas brew, I think. The Tejas Negro, I think it is. It's a dark lager. It's really good too. And this one been real enjoyable. I think it won some awards. But anyway, we're going to get back and show you how we incorporate the bacon and the jalapenos and the green chilies in there, and we'll get to grilling. So just a little follow-up, y'all, on that recipe. I'm doing some traditional with just jalapenos, dove, and bacon, dove breast. But also, I'm doing some green chili with these to see how they turn out. So we're gonna grill these up with some green chili, bacon, and dove breast. And this is fresh green chili from Hatch, New Mexico. It really doesn't get any better than that. So we're kind of fusing a New Mexico and Texan dish here. And we're gonna let you know how it comes out so you can try it for yourself. Alright guys, so what you got here is about 3.5 dove breast inside green chili from Hatch, New Mexico. I'm gonna fold this over, and then of course wrap it with a strip of bacon and grill it. And so remember our marinade in there with the orange juice, the red wine vinegar, and the tiger sauce. And then of course we got that whole clove of garlic, a little bit of Montreal steak seasoning. Oh yeah, we're talking about some goodness here. So we got the Dove going. Hatch green chili Dove, regular jalapeno Dove, cream cheese, bacon. But just want to let you know we're also doing some smoke on them. Give you a little shot of them. You can see those long ones are the Hatch green chili, bacon, cream cheese, and then you got the regular ones. Actually, the Hatch green chili don't have cream cheese. We're just doing the Dove and the bacon, the Hatch green chili. The regular jalapenos one, they've got that cream cheese on them. So, yep. So we're cooking. So you just want to grill until that bacon is nice and crispy. That's what we're doing here. Get all sides crispy, and then it's going to be some really good eating.